Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on autoplay next video on your Hulu app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and automatically play the next series or movie or TV show after your current viewing is done. How do you actually go ahead and turn on autoplay? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Hulu app. Next, click on your profile icon on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Settings. Now, once you do so, you can see that there's this toggle menu that says Autoplay Next Video and it's on. So you can toggle between on or off. Go ahead and keep it on, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on Autoplay Next Video on the Hulu app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.